Quiz time! Are you ready to test your knowledge on how to learn faster with AI? A scientific guide to smarter study.
Which learning theory emphasizes teaching concepts in simple terms to test understanding? A. Feynman Technique. B. Cognitive load theory. C. Constructivist learning.
D. Bloom's taxonomy.
Correct. A. Feynman Technique. What unique advantage does AI offer as a learning companion? A. It memorizes for you. B. It adapts to your pace and confusion. C. It replaces teachers completely. D. It grades exams instantly. Correct. B. It adapts to your pace and confusion. What is neuroplasticity often described as in learning science? A. Fixed brain wiring. B. The brain's ability to rewire with experience. C. A memorization shortcut.
D. A testing strategy.
Correct. B. The brain's ability to rewire with experience. Which activity strengthens retention by self-testing? A. Evening reflection chat. B. Highlighting key passages.
C. Passive video watching.
D. Reading silently. Correct. A. Evening reflection chat. What limitation must learners remember when using AI? A. AI alone guarantees mastery. B. AI eliminates the need for practice. C. Learning still requires personal action and reflection. D. AI replaces human teachers entirely. Correct. C. Learning still requires personal action and reflection. Thanks for playing. Scan the QR to read the full article.